Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel for a vlog. We are going to the racetrack today. My stepdad's racing, so that's gonna be fun. So it's currently raining a little bit. I hope that they don't get rained out because we have to drive almost an hour one way to get to the racetrack. That's from my mom's house, not including the 20 minutes that it takes to get to my mom's house from my house. So that's a thing. I'm a dinosaur. Welcome to Cleveland, Ohio traffic and downtown Cleveland. Whoop, whoop. So this happened like 10 minutes before we got here. They canceled the race. And
look at them go.
Look at how fast they're going around that track. I'm sad.
They're going slow.
Look at that go. And zoom in.
That's going.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. Number 32.
He's going now. He's rolling. Look at him go.
They see me rolling. They hating.
Yeah, you're fine. But you didn't get that, did you?
Yeah, I didn't. I did. I did. I got it.
Hey, stop it, you guys. It's not funny.
I got that.
It's sad. It's crying.
I got it. I don't like being filmed.
Not, I'm filming you filming.
I don't like being filmed.
Film me filming. Same. Dad won!
Yeah!
He came in first!
Woo!
Okay, so that was today's race day vlog. I hope that you guys all enjoyed that epic failure. I'm at my mom's house right now. And stuff and things. I'm going in my little sister's room. Oh my god. There's shit everywhere on the walls. Ah! Look at hey, why does she have Ariana Grande on there? Gross. Look at all her medals from skating. And then she has more medals from skating. Wait, where's her? Oh, and then she's also got these things up here, her awards and trophies, and then there's a few up there. So yeah. And she's got her ARCA truck flags up there and race flags because of our stepdad. And I have Jacqueline's phone. No, I'll be nice. There's a kitty. Hello, Jasper. 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 And here's a dog, Jaeger. Kitty. 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 Jasper. Look at Jaeger.